Hello everyone, welcome to another video on IPFS. In this video I will show you the easiest way currently to connect to IPFS, add files, share the links with your friends, and view links from other people. So you will need to have your IPFS-Manager installed. I have another video on how to do that. And you will also need to have your Telegram Messenger service open. You could also use Facebook Messenger, Line, WhatsApp, WeChat, anything else that you can use to send links to friends in private groups or private windows. So there I've just gone and added my share folder to my IPFS client. It gave me an IPFS hash, and all you do is copy the hash and remember to add a description about the content that you're adding to your Telegram. I said my share folder, and then I pasted the link to the hash. Now when someone clicks that link, it will direct them straight to the object or the content that I posted to that link. No other content will ever be connected to that specific link. So it's a very good way of keeping backups of things. So now let's add some files to that folder, and then we'll just upload it again. So I've got a zip file with lots of books in there. Just add it to your share folder, drag and drop back into IPFS. Now the more files the manager has to create IPFS addresses for, the longer it takes. But there it's not too slow. And now I have a new link to a new version of this share folder. So once again, go to your Telegram, type in a description of the content you're pasting, and here you can see it's got exactly the same name. So eventually I'll get a little bit confused by those things. The better you name your content, the better it is to identify it later. You can see that both links are still there. Now I can click the old link and it will still point towards the old content or the old version of that folder. Okay, so now that we've added some files and we've shown what it looks like when you put some new files into your folder, let's add something a little bit more interesting, like an HTML web page. Now, because our browsers are designed to view HTML pages, it's really the best way to present or share something in IPFS. So all you have to do is copy a folder with a website in it, paste it to your share folder, and I'm just going to go ahead again and take the folder, drag across to the IPFS-Manager. It's going to add it to IPFS, return a hash number. Thank you to the developer for giving us all those useful links. And now I'm not going to use that pre-made link, but I'm going to show you how I created a bookmark for IPFS files. And then once again, you can just click the bookmark, paste the hash, copy that link, and paste it into your Messenger service. Adding a description. And now when anyone clicks that link, they will know what they're connecting to, and Telegram will direct them straight to the correct content. As people use IPSF more often and as more people join the network, everything will start to go faster. For instance, if my website that you see here is also copied on another person's computer, then you could potentially connect to the content through the closest version of the content or the closest person that has that content. It doesn't matter where the content is based, as long as it's the same content, you will always be directed towards it. Here we can see that the links to my old folders are still easily available. Next, let's add some more movies, just to show you some movies that are easily playable inside the browser. MP4 movies can play inside your browser like Firefox or Chrome, but other files like AVI files will not be able to play inside the browser. And then the browser will ask you to download the file. So as easy as drag and drop, take your share folder, drop it into the IPFS-Manager, copy the hash, open the browser, click your IPFS file bookmark, and then add the hash that you received and share it. So there we go. We can now see that our folder has been updated with some video files.
Hello world.
Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button and look out for more videos about IPFS.